welcome to today's math video. In the description box below, I will link some videos for you guys to watch either before or after the video. So if you want, you can pause the video and go listen to those songs or save them for later. Your objective, your goal is I can add within 20. Now, I'm going to show you two ways you can help solve these number problems. At the end of the video, there'll be some number problems for you to solve. But you can do any way that works for you. So today we're going to focus on pictures and a number line. However, if you need to use any other tool, if you need to get out little beans to help you count, fruit snacks, cereal puffs, little counters, anything like that you can use. You can also use, if you have Legos to help you count. There are a ton of ideas. So let's go ahead and get started. So our first number problem is 7 plus 3. So for these two on the side, I'm going to use pictures because we're working with smaller numbers and it's a little bit easier to use pictures with smaller numbers. And on the side behind me, we're going to use this number line or number track to help us solve it, because when you're working with numbers like 16 and 4, it can take a little long to draw 16 circles and you might accidentally mess up. So for the larger numbers, it's a little bit easier to use something else besides a picture. So let's go ahead and get started. So we have 7 plus 3. We are adding, so our answers are getting larger. Adding is called addition, and this is the addition symbol, the plus sign, the adding sign. Our equal sign tells us that this number afterwards is going to be our answer. So we're starting with 7, and then we're adding 3 to it. So I'm going to draw 7 circles, and hopefully I don't erase on my board trying to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to double check that I drew only 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. The next number I'm adding, my next add-in is 3. So I'm going to draw 3. 1, 2, 3. Great job. And I can say that's only 3. So now I'm going to add these two together. I'm going to count slowly, carefully. I'm going to cross off each one that I count. Go ahead and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is my answer. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. Perfect. Let's go ahead and work on the next one together. We have 9 plus 5 equals, and we're going to figure out what that equals, what the answer, what the sum, what the total is. Those are all different names for the same thing. So we're going to start off with 9 circles. We're going to count slowly. Go ahead and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now notice when I drew my circles, I didn't draw teeny tiny dots, and I also didn't scrunch them together, because when you draw them kind of sloppy and scrunched together, it gets hard to count. So let me double check that I have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. Next, I'm going to draw 5. That's our next add-in, our next number. 1, ooh, that turned out a little crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's go ahead and work together to figure out the sum, the total. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And a 14 is a 1 and a 4 for 1 10 and 4 ones. Perfect. So now we're going to switch over to the next side and use our number line or our number track. So our next one is 16 plus 4. Now you could definitely draw a picture for this one still, but drawing 16 circles takes up a lot of space and a lot of time. So it might be a little bit quicker to use a number track. So I'm going to find 16 on my number track, my number line, and I'm going to go ahead and circle it. So we're starting at 16, and then we need to make 4 jumps. Now, my number line got a little squished. It was definitely a lot harder to draw this than what I thought, but I did it and it turned out fine. So hopefully you can say that last number is 20. So we're starting at 16, and then we're going to hop 4 times. So go ahead and watch and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each little square, each little box is a hop. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what number did I land on? And I know it's teeny tiny, so you might not be able to see. But great job, we did land on 20. Now we have 13 plus 2. So we're starting at 13. Now technically you could start at 2, but you're going to have to make 13 hops, and that's kind of a lot of work. So it's easier to start with the largest or bigger number. 13, and then we're going to make 2 hops. So I'm going to look at my number track for 13. And then we're going to make 2 hops. Are you ready? 1, 2. What number did we land on? Hopefully you can see. I know it's tiny. Great job. We landed on 15. So those are just 2 ways you can use to solve them. You can also bring out little things to help you count. So if you have little dried pinto beans, fruit snacks, little cereal puffs, Legos, cubes, anything like that, you can build the number sentence to help you. And I'll put a picture assignment at the end of the video. Go ahead and send me pictures of your work, and I'll link some songs below for you to listen to. I miss you guys. Hope you're having a great day, and see you on the next video.